Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the planned resource management. Friend, today's topic is very important, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, planned resource management is the process of defining how to estimate, acquire, manage, and use teams and physical resources. The key benefit of this process is that it establishes the approach and level of management efforts needed for managing project resources based on the type and complexity of the project. Resource planning is used to determine and identify an approach to ensure that sufficient resources are available for the successful completion of the project. Project resources may include team members, supplies, material, equipment, services, and facilities. Effective resource planning should consider and plan for the availability of or competition for scarce resources. Now we talk about the input for this process. The input for this process includes project charter. Project charter is basically provides the high level project description and requirements. It also has a key stakeholder list, summary milestones, and pre-approved financial resources that may influence the resource management of the project. Then the project management plan, which includes the quality management plan. The quality management plan is basically helps defines the level of resources that will be required to achieve and maintain the defined level of quality and achieve the metrics for the project. Then the scope baseline. The scope baseline identifies the deliverables that drive the types and quantities of resources that will need to be managed. Then project documents. Project documents means it includes the project schedule. The project schedule shows the timeline for needed resources. Then requirement documentation will dictate the type and amount of resources needed for the project and may influence how they are managed. Then risk register. The risk register contains information on threats and opportunities that may impact resource planning. Stakeholder register. The stakeholder register aids in identifying those stakeholders who have a particular interest in or an impact on resources needed for the project. It also helps to identify stakeholders who can influence the use of one kind of resource over another. The other inputs for this process are enterprise environmental factors and organizational process assets. The tools for this process are the expert judgment. Expertise should be considered from individuals or groups with a specialized knowledge or training. Then data representation. Data representation techniques that can be used for this process include but are not limited to charts. Various formats exist to document and communicate team members' roles and responsibilities. Organizational theory is another tool we use. Organizational theory provides information regarding the way in which people, teams, and organizational units behave. Effective use of common techniques identified in organizational theory can shorten the amount of time, cost, and effort needed to create the planned resource management process outputs and improve planning efficiency. Then meetings. The project team may hold meetings to plan resource management for the project. The output. The first output for this process is basically the resource management plan. The resource management plan is the component of the project management plan that provides guidance on how project resources should be categorized, allocated, managed, and released. It may be divided between the team management plan and physical resource management plan according to the specifics of the project. Then next is the team charter. The team charter is a document that establishes the team values, agreements, and operating guidelines for the team. Team values. Team values includes the communication guidelines, decision making criteria and process, conflict resolution process, meetings, and team urgency. Project document update. Project document updates is basically includes the assumption log, and assumption log is basically updated with the assumptions regarding the availability, logistic requirement and location of physical resources, as well as the skill set and availability of team resources. Also, it includes the risk register. The risk register is updated with risk associated with team and physical resource availability or other known resource related risk. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.